What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing our 6-month review of having the Varla Eagle 1 electric scooter. This thing is an absolute beast of a scooter, and for the last 6 months we've been shredding this thing off-road, on trails, taking it on streets, long cruises, and it's been an absolute joy to ride. So today we're just going to be showing you guys some of the things that this thing can do. So off-roading is really what this scooter was made from. As we've mentioned in previous review videos, this thing has independent suspension, so the front wheel and the rear wheel each have their own shock absorbers, which make this thing extremely comfortable to ride. It's also got dual hub motors, one in the front, one in the back, which make it extremely powerful and have good traction off-road. Riding it on single tracks or any sort of trail is super fun and easy to do, so long as it's not too rocky or loose and nice and compact. The street tires that come included with the Varla Eagle 1 are fine for doing some off-roading, but if you're intending to do a lot of it, I definitely recommend picking up a set of their knobby tires. That's something that I've learned after doing quite a bit of off-roading with this scooter. It can get a little bit slippery and squirrely if you just have the standard hybrid street tires on, so definitely pick up those all-terrains if you're going to be doing a lot of off-roading and you want good traction. We've taken this e-scooter through the ringer, doing some stuff we probably shouldn't be doing with it, going off of jumps, and so far it hasn't had any major mechanical failures. The one error that we did encounter was that there was a flat on the rear about 100 miles in, probably just due to the nature of the off-roading we were doing and sliding the rear tire. However, we were easily able to swap out that rear tube. You just have to undo the rear brake assembly, and Varla actually does have a very nice tutorial on how to do this. Off-roading on this e-scooter is super fun, and one of the things that I love the most about having an e-scooter is the fact that pretty much anyone can pick up this thing and in a matter of minutes be able to ride it with a fair degree of confidence. This is something that you can't do on a vehicle like a one-wheel or a skateboard that are oftentimes used for trail riding, and the Varla Eagle 1 just allows pretty much anyone to be able to go to have these fun adventures on trails without needing an extreme amount of skill or effort placed into learning how to ride off-road. Above the top speed and the range, the biggest cool thing about the Eagle 1 to me is the sheer power that this thing has. This is the scooter on a 31% hill, and it's absolutely bombing up it like it doesn't even exist. I'm pretty sure there isn't a hill in this world that exists that's paved that this scooter can't get up, so it's insanely powerful. If you take this thing off-road and try to climb some hills, it is a little bit of a different story just because the traction is very limiting. Like I said, those knobby tires are really important. It's definitely got the power to make it up the hills, but the traction is a huge limiting factor. The brakes on the Eagle 1 are extremely good. They use dual hydraulic disc brakes, so they are a mechanical braking system. They're super reliable and you never have to worry about any sort of failure, though I do wish that they did have a regenerative braking option. One complaint that I do have about the Eagle 1 that's become increasingly noticeable as I've ridden more off-road is the fact that the scooter stem and handlebars do rock back and forth quite a bit. I'm not sure why this is, but it is a little bit annoying and it makes you feel a little bit insecure when you accelerate and the entire handlebars kind of just bend backwards. There haven't been any issues, but it is something to adjust to and get used to when you're riding for the first time. For me, the biggest flaw with the Varla Eagle 1 has nothing to do with the actual scooter itself. The actual scooter is incredible. There's almost nothing that I would change about it. But the one thing that I do not like is the charger that they've included. They have a 2-amp charger for a 946 watt-hour battery, which is massive. This thing takes 8 to 9 hours to charge fully, which is far too long. Varla says you can buy a second charger to double the charge speed in half the time. However, I think they should definitely have a fast charger option. Overall though, my experience with the Eagle 1 has been overwhelmingly positive. This is one of my favorite electric vehicles to ride, and if I'm going off-road and want to do some tricks and jumps, this is my vehicle of choice just because it's so comfortable and that suspension allows you to do things that other electric vehicles can't. The Eagle 1 is an incredible scooter, and for only $1,600 you're getting an EV that can go 40 miles an hour top speed up to 40 miles on a charge and can climb virtually any hill. So it is a screaming deal for a performance electric vehicle. Simply put, if I had to sum up the Varla Eagle 1, this thing is an absolute beast. It's a monster, and I've never ridden another EV so far that's anything like it. The purpose of this video was just to show our opinion after 6 months and showcase some of the footage that we've accumulated over the past 6 months while riding the Eagle 1 and tell you guys our experience over a longer period of time. If you guys are interested in learning more about the Varla Eagle 1, we will leave a link in the video description below for our first video in which we unboxed the scooter and set it up, the second video in which we did a full comprehensive review, and a link to Varla's website where you can check out more specs and details about this electric scooter. If you enjoyed the video and you've made it this far, please make sure to like and comment down below what you guys think of the Varla Eagle 1. Also, make sure to let us know what review videos you guys would like to see in the near future so that we can get those electric vehicles in our hands and test them. Also, if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe for lots of other DIY electric vehicle reviews and DIY electric builds. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.